Lost beneath the jungle, forgotten by time, this guard's red Porsche 911 Carrera waits for one final chance.
Beneath every scar, beneath every layer of rust, the soul of a German icon still survives.
For the first time in decades, the doors of this guard's red Porsche 911 Carrera open again.
Inside this Porsche, time stood still, leaving behind dust, silence, and memories. Buried by nature, trapped by time, today this guard's red Porsche 911 Carrera begins its journey home.
Piece by piece, inch by inch, this forgotten guard's red Porsche 911 Carrera leaves the jungle behind forever. After decades of silence, the Porsche 911 Carrera finally arrives where legends are rebuilt. Beneath years of decay, the original guard's red paint begins to breathe once again. Now the truth is visible. Every crack, every wound, every battle this Porsche survived. What lies beneath is worse than expected, but every icon deserves one more chance to live. The first pieces fall away as this forgotten guard's red Porsche begins its complete rebirth. Every panel removed reveals another hidden chapter beneath decades of corrosion and silence. Every panel removed reveals another hidden chapter beneath decades of corrosion and silence. Inside this Porsche, time destroyed everything except the spirit of a true German icon. Miles of dead wiring, broken circuits, but the heart of this Porsche still refuses to die. Nothing remains except raw metal, pure structure, and one final chance for this Porsche 911 Carrera to rise again. Now the real battle begins. Every scar, every crack, every hidden wound must be uncovered. To save this Porsche, every weak piece must be removed, no matter how deep the damage runs. From raw steel, new life is forged, crafted to restore the soul of this German icon. With every weld, this forgotten Porsche grows stronger, stronger than the day it left the factory. After years of damage, this Porsche 911 Carrera stands straight once again, ready for rebirth. For decades, this engine remained silent. Today, the heart of this guard's red Porsche is finally awakened. Years of grease, heat, and decay are washed away, revealing the true soul of this Porsche engine. Every bolt removed, every damaged part uncovered, brings this Porsche one step closer to rebirth. Time damaged every surface, but every broken piece of this Porsche can rise again. Every passage, every cylinder, every hidden surface is cleaned to perfection, preparing this Porsche for new life. Piece by piece, precision replaces damage, and the heart of this guard's red Porsche begins beating again. Not just restored, upgraded, this Porsche 911 Carrera is being rebuilt stronger than ever before. Every gear, every pulse, every perfectly tuned component brings this Porsche closer to perfection. From rust, from silence, from forgotten metal, the heart of this guard's red Porsche 911 Carrera lives again. With nothing left to hide, the true skeleton of this guard's red Porsche stands stronger than ever. Every cut, Every measurement, every correction brings this Porsche closer to perfection. Built by hand, shaped with precision, every new panel restores the soul of this German icon. Steel meets steel, craftsmanship meets passion, and this Porsche becomes whole once again. No weakness, no imperfections, no compromise. This Porsche 911 Carrera is finally ready for rebirth. Every scar is erased, every surface refined, preparing this Porsche for the color it was born with. A flawless foundation, sealing every repair, protecting the future of this German legend. Smooth as glass, perfect in every curve, this Porsche is ready for its true identity. The legendary Guards Red returns, not as memory, but as pure perfection. From rust to reflection, the Guards Red soul of this Porsche 911 Carrera shines brighter than ever.
For the first time in decades, this Guards Red Porsche stands proudly on fresh wheels once again.
Strength below, balance above.
Every millimeter of this Porsche is tuned for perfection.
Inside this Porsche, every stitch, every surface, every detail feels factory fresh once again. One spark, one signal, one system at a time, this Porsche comes fully alive again.
Every reflection tells the story. This Guards Red Porsche 911 Carrera is almost ready for rebirth.
After decades of silence, one turn of the key, and the heart of this Guards Red Porsche beats again.